tried to push the Forney. I was going to push the train off the bridge, and everything's locked up. The Johnson bar was frozen. I got it to move, but I can't. I don't know, the rods are frozen or the wheels are frozen to the rail, but that was quick. I guess that's what they mean about snowed in. Got that working. Let's see if I can pull it or something there. Cannot budge. I think the brake shoes. Oh, the brake shoes are froze on. What the? There we go. Maybe not. Nah, I kicked the brake off, but it still didn't move. There's a rail truck up the way.